Worry about the install and quality? Can't control precisely and waste cost? AI vision sensor can solve these well. AI accurately recognizes and controls the lamps. It's not affected by moving objects. What we can set in AI works. Lights turn off when no one is there. We can also set 10% brightness if no one there. 100% brightness if someone detected there. No affected by moving objects. 99% accurately identify. Support vehicle license plate detection, human face capture, etc. The monitoring distance height is 30 to 50 meters. Can work well in high-speed road lighting project. Smart control supported web software and app control. It supports fault alarms, energy analysis, and etc.
喜欢就点个关注吧。